Tired of garden pests ruining your hard work? What if there was a natural, non-toxic solution that also boosted your soil? Get ready to discover Diatomaceous Earth, your garden's new best friend. Diatomaceous earth, or DE, is a fine powder made from fossilized aquatic organisms called diatoms. It's essentially pure silica crumbled into a soft white dust. Under a microscope, DE particles are incredibly sharp and porous. These unique physical properties are exactly what makes it so effective for gardeners. Unlike chemical pesticides, DE works purely through physical action. Its microscopic sharp edges cut through the waxy outer layer of insects. This causes pests to dehydrate and eventually die. It's a mechanical killer, meaning insects can't develop resistance, and it's completely non-toxic to humans and pets. For pest control, always apply DE dry. Dust it lightly around plant bases, along pathways, or wherever you see pest activity. Focus on entry points and hiding spots for ants, slugs, snails, and other crawling insects. A thin, even layer is all you need. Remember, DE loses effectiveness when wet. Reapply after rain or heavy dew to maintain its protective barrier. While DE is non-toxic, it's a very fine dust. Avoid inhaling it as it can irritate your respiratory tract. Wear a dust mask during application, especially in enclosed spaces. Keep children and pets away from the immediate area until the dust settles. DE isn't just for pest control. It offers fantastic benefits for your soil and plants too. Its porous structure improves soil drainage and aeration, which is vital for healthy root development. It also helps retain water and nutrients, releasing them slowly to your plants. DE is rich in silica, a mineral known to strengthen plant cell walls. This can make your plants more resilient to stress, diseases, and even some pests. You can also use DE as a natural deodorizer. Sprinkle it in compost bins or around pet areas to absorb unpleasant odors. Slugs and snails are no match for DE. The abrasive powder damages their protective mucus layer, leading to dehydration. Create a barrier by dusting DE around vulnerable plants. Reapply regularly, especially after watering or rain, to keep these slimy pests at bay. Diatomaceous earth is a natural, versatile, and safe solution for a healthier garden. From effective pest control to improving soil and plant health, its benefits are undeniable. Ready to transform your garden? Grab some food-grade diatomaceous earth today. Apply it dry for pest control, mix it into your soil for stronger plants, and share your results in the comments below. Let's grow together.